Hey, what's up, YouTube? Well, we are back home, and the RV is actually back in storage till September, where we will head back down to Fredericksburg and partake in a members-only wine tasting at Fat Ass Ranch and Winery. From there, we come back home, and then we leave again to hit Memphis, Nashville, the Smoky Mountains, Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, head back down towards Destin, and then spend a couple of days in Tampa, Florida, before we come back home. We'll share those adventures with you also. Hey, guys, I appreciate y'all watching again. Please hit that subscribe button. We're trying to make our way to that magic number of 1,000 subscribers, and only you can do that and help us out in that. Before we get into this adventure, which will be Schlitterbahn with KateLynn, and it's more or less KateLynn's day, I wanted to show you as we headed down through South Texas from Fredericksburg down to New Braunfels, just some of the beauty that is South Texas and the hill country. So here we go. Want to take you along for the ride. Thanks again. God bless. Well, we are at Schlitterbahn. If you've never been here, I've never been here actually. This will be my first time, but it's more of a water park. It is down in New Braunfels, and we are taking KateLynn, and she's gonna do some swimming. Are you excited? Yay?
Clap your hands.
I think she just woke up from her nap on the way over here. All right.
Ready?
Let's go.
Want to wear your hat?
right?
What?
The skin.
Yeah. Take a short nap, we'll wake up, and we'll do some more. But right now, she's out. And she has woken up from her nap and is back at it again. KateLynn! KateLynn! We are in a swim up bar, and I don't know if I can get a picture of. There's your bar stool. That's not bad. I like it. Well, a fun-filled day at Schlitterbahn, and we are headed back to the RV, and I think we're going to cook some brats out on the grill.
Take a nap.
Take a nap. Or take a nap and cook some brats. I don't know, one or the other. But guys, if you're in New Braunfels, I would invite you to check out Schlitterbahn.
It's really, really cool. Like, definitely a place to take the kids. Even if they're a little like KateLynn. Like, they have 2 areas for babies, and like, she had so much fun. She even had fun going on in the big kids stuff.
Yeah. Very cool. Got stuff for big kids too.
But the thing is, the cool thing, even though this COVID thing's going on, they have 2 parks. So they have a East and West Park. But the West Park is closed right now.
Yeah, closed.
But the East Park
is open.
Yes.
Yep.
Plus, normally they'll have, what was it called? It's like the biggest lazy river, the longest lazy river.
It's the longest water park in
Ride.
in any history.
Any history, yeah.
So, and it's the Kamel River.
Which is also down there too.
If you have not floated the Kamel, it's a very lazy river.
Very lazy. In fact, we
more
may
lazy
even
than what the Guadalupe is.
We may even come take KateLynn to go do it.
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
So
and on weekends it's only $2 to float.
Very cool.
So.
Anyway, thanks for joining us on this adventure. God bless.
I also will let y'all know that we didn't mention, so if you do decide to come during this COVID stuff, please make sure that you bring a mask. You do not have to wear it in the parks. A lot of people are not wearing them, but you have to wear it as you're entering the park.
Or they're going to charge you
Or they'll charge you $2 for this little cloth.
But yet they give them away.
They give them away in the parks, but you still have to wear one in there, and they make you buy one. So just make sure that you take a mask. Even if you're a mother and you have one of those little tie bows, put that around your face. If you don't have a mask, just bring that. That's what I normally do. If there's a place that I have to, I always have KateLynn's bows handy, which today I did not. So I had to pay for the $2 for a mask. But other than that, it's going to be an amazing trip for y'all. But yeah, you don't have to wear it in the park. That's another good thing. You don't have to wear it in it.
Turn
All right.
right onto West Lincoln Street.